A woodworker's best friend, his apron. As silly as that might sound, your apron is one of the most useful resources in your workshop. Not only is it a major contributor of workshop safety, it'll make you look a lot more stylish and professional. Best of all, the best woodworking aprons will provide easy access to your tools and materials, making the woodworking experience as smooth as possible. Without further ado, let's find the best ones.
Today, I'm going to show you our new apron. Now, this apron is made of 100% heavy-duty genuine leather for long-time durability, and it's also heat and flame resistant as an extra bonus. Now, as I take it out and unfold it for you, you can see that it has double stitching for extreme durability and comfort. It has rivets and high stress points to prevent rips and tears. And it has a loop on the other side, which is convenient if you want to hang it on a hook. This apron was originally designed as a welding apron, but after several modifications, it became truly multifunctional and useful for many other work and home tasks, such as for woodworkers, blacksmiths, gardeners, mechanics, for barbecuing in the backyard, and so on. The apron harness allows for adjustment of the position of the apron and also the waist tightness. I have it on pretty tight right here. And this makes it adjustable from size medium all the way up to XXL. The X-shaped harness design evenly balances the weight of the apron across the shoulder and back for long-term use and comfort. The quick release buckles make it easy to put the apron on and to take it off. Now, the shoulder pads are especially useful when you have heavy tools in your pockets. The apron features 6 pockets for storage tools and work accessories, 2 heavy tool rings, and 2 hammer loops. It includes chest pockets, 1 cell phone pocket, and 1 pencil pocket. So, get maximum protection and have on everything you need to work fast and efficiently with the new apron from FIGHTECH.
Hi, I'm Harry, and today I'll be reviewing the 42-inch full coverage apron. Let's try this on. The straps are adjustable and long enough to fit anyone. The X straps have a mechanism which can be adjusted, which keeps the pressure off the neck. It's made of heavy-duty split cowhide for durability. The leather is thick but still supple. It is wear and flame resistant for protection from flame. The stitching is quality. Kevlar heat-resistant stitching will hold up well. It has 6 pockets for different tools. It includes 1 cell phone pocket and 1 pencil pocket. It has plenty of pockets for anything you might need to keep readily handy. 42-inch full coverage apron can protect you up to the knee when you are working. We also have 36-inch versions.
Hey friends, are you tired of stains and spills running your clothes? Or even worried about kickback from tools, even misplacing them? Maybe you're just looking for an awesome apron that simply does its job. Well, power up your productivity while staying safe with the heavy-duty wax canvas shop apron from Texas Canvas Wares. When choosing an apron, most features you can see, like our high-quality stitching and attention to detail. Although, there are a few features you cannot see. With AZO-free dyes, you don't have to worry about unknown or hazardous chemicals. When designing this apron, we wanted something that got worn in, not worn out. Each apron is fitted with quality steel rivets and grommets and features a 16-ounce water-resistant canvas, which makes it tough and durable while protecting you from spills and kickbacks without movement restriction. Versatile sizing allows for a fully adjustable fit. The large 7x7-inch tool pockets features a uniquely designed tuckable flap that keeps out dust and debris while keeping your most used tools handy. Cross straps with removable shoulder pads keep the apron from pulling on your neck, allowing you to work longer while staying comfortable. Chest pockets on the front keep the essentials near. With 2 different styles, you can decide which apron is best for you. Our Deluxe Edition apron has the same great quality as the Standard Edition, but includes upgraded features, such as a smartphone strap to keep your phone secure, a quick release buckle for convenience, dual hammer loops on the sides, and 2 colors you can pick from. Step up your game with a Texas Canvas Shop apron, which will let you work protected, stay productive, and look darn good looking for many years to come.
As a mechanic, handyman, or woodworker, it's important that all your tools are at your reach. That's why hard workers all over the world trust the Rugged Tools Work Apron. It has 11 pockets of all different sizes, including the chest organizer with 2 pen slots and a phone pocket, the waist organizer with space for your hands and 4 tool slots, and finally a large open pocket for those bigger jobs. Each pocket has a webbed bottom that protects from ripping or stretching. Even the sharpest of tools don't stand a chance. Our aprons are adjustable for all sizes and enjoyed by men and women. It even makes for a great gift too. So don't settle for a run-of-the-mill apron. Invest in something that's built to last. With the Rugged Tools Work Apron.